So Joe, I'm so happy to be here today. I'm going to start really with your life, and you started acting, didn't you? Tell us a bit about how you got into acting.
I was one of the original Precocious child actresses, and I had this awful gap in my teeth and a lisp. So I was Violet Elizabeth from a very young age, you know. And my parents, we set sail for Australia when I was 5. They emigrated over there. And I was stood on a table in the bar of this ship sailing to Australia, singing Margie, which I don't think many people alive even remember the song Margie. Margie, I'm always dreaming about you, with this dreadful lisp and ringlets. And I remember my brother never sort of forgave me for this. He hid for almost the rest of the journey, because I would then do this every single night. And I loved the sound of applause. And I think a show-off was then launched. So then when we got to Australia, the first thing they did.
Precocious. Precocious. Precocious.